So I just want to share something. You know that you can love someone and still not be the right for each other. You know what's hard to accept? You can love someone so deeply and still not be good for them. And sometimes someone can love you so much, but they are not right for you either. Weird, right? But it's reality. Because love alone isn't enough. You know what really keeps love alive is emotional maturity. And not everyone has that nowadays. Like, sure, she loves you, but one misunderstanding and suddenly, boom, you both staring in a war of words. The truth is, you can't build a peaceful relationship if one of you hasn't learned how to manage their emotion. They can control their emotion. Because love isn't just about I care about you. It's I understand you and I respect your peace. And I know how to calm myself before I hurt you. Should be like that. The problem is many people want a love story. Nowadays they want love story but don't want to learn how to love properly, right? They think love itself will fix everything, but it doesn't. Love is the spark. Emotional maturity is the fire that keeps burning the love. Because no matter how much you love someone, if you can't communicate, in every small fight becomes a war. If no one knows how to listen, then loves become exhausting instead of healing. Remember that. And let's be honest. You can't fix you can keep fixing everything with sorry. Sometimes it's not an apology you need. It's a personality update. It's a personality change. Here's the reality. Sometimes or some people just are not ready to handle the kind of love you give. And doesn't mean you weren't enough. It means they haven't learned how to handle enough. It means they don't know how to handle you also. Sometimes the most matured kind of love is realizing you still love them, but being with them is slowly breaking you. So you choose to let go, not because you stop loving, but because you finally love yourself enough to stop hurting. Love isn't supposed to drain you. You have to remember that. Love supposed to grow you. And one day, you'll meet someone who doesn't say I love you, but also know how to keep the love alive. With patience, understanding, and peace and all. Because because real love isn't just emotion, it's emotional skills. And when both of you have that, love doesn't just survive, it's evolve. Love starts a story, but only emotional maturity can make it last. Remember that.